In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate the active Google Calendar integration in your HoneyBook Workspace dashboard using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're on the correct browser profile if you use more than one account or workspace. This can help avoid confusion, especially if you manage multiple business tools in the same browser. Once Chrome is open, go to your HoneyBook Workspace dashboard app and sign in if needed. Before continuing, take a moment to confirm that you're inside the correct workspace dashboard, since settings and integrations can vary depending on the account you're viewing. After you've successfully logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look for the Company Settings area. This is where HoneyBook stores the core configuration options for your workspace, including tools that connect with outside platforms. Click on Company Settings to open it. If your dashboard has a navigation panel or menu, you may need to use that panel to access the settings section. Move carefully here so you don't accidentally open a different area of the app. Once you're inside Company Settings, find and click Integrations. This section is specifically designed to show the external apps and services connected to your HoneyBook workspace. It's the place where you can review which tools are currently linked and active. Depending on your layout, the integrations may appear in a list, a set of tiles, or organized rows within the page. Now, on the integrations page, look for the Google Calendar integration. Your goal here is to locate the active Google Calendar integration row block area. In most cases, this will be the section or row labeled Google Calendar, and it should visually indicate that the integration is active. You may see status text, a connected label, or some other on-screen sign showing that the integration is currently enabled. Take a moment to carefully identify the correct row block rather than just the general integrations page. This is important because there may be multiple integration options listed, and you want to be sure you are viewing the exact Google Calendar connection that is already active. If needed, scroll slowly through the page until you find it. Once you've located that active Google Calendar integration row block area, you've completed the process. You're now in the right place to review the connection and continue with whatever setup, verification, or troubleshooting task you need to do next.